Today is
Saturday,
yeah,
November 22, 10:30.
a.m.
Are the drinks kasama po? Yung sa food?
Yes.
Yes. And we're here now at a lounge in Terminal
1.
Terminal 1. I'm gonna eat first. So we have pasta, and sausage.
Where do we get
What? There.
Ang broast details.
Utensils.
Ang utensils. Bago sa broast details.
So later, I'll show you around. Here's Smile.
Corn.
And that's the reception. I think there. There you go. I think that's better, no?
Yeah. Baka pwede yun.
Hindi yung mukbang.
Sige, gawa mo yung ng gamit. At ng backpacks. Dilit lang.
Okay, so we're done eating. We will now show you our food. Let's check the set menu. Let's go. Let's check the food. We have eggs and sausage. It's ano pala, chicken oats. So, ayan lang siya. Kasi konti lang yung selection niya. Gusto ko lounge. This is Tita Ken. Hi. Hello. Milo Boy. These are the gang. And Mikey Boy. Mike Daisy. Kuya Dwayne. So cute. And Tito Vince. Hello. It's kind of love. So we're here now at a lounge here at Terminal 1. So...
Walang utensils.
Ha?
Walang utensils.
Wala. You ask them.
You don't know where they
Generated AI content and prevented from being posted. Essentially trying to act as a safe capitalize on nostalgia. Can they actually fix the problems behind hand and make it successful this time around? Guys, it's official. Ryan is back, but with one big
Bilang.
Wait lang daw. Ayan na lang. Hi, love.
busy.
Dito pala. Nakikita si Mikey yan?
Nakapost na siya eh. Nakikita.
Ano nakikita?
Nakapost na siya. Ito natin. Hello. So we are now here inside the airplane. Show yourself.
Hi.
Yeah, we're now in, where are we?
The airplane.
We're now in Korean Air. So, hi Dad. So, we'll be flying to Seoul, Incheon. That's for our, what you call that? Layover.
Yeah.
And let me show you the what's inside the airplane. So number one is we have a blanket. We have 3 blankets. Yeah, that one. So we have 3 blanket. Lahat kami meron. And then we have 3 pillow. Let me show the pillow na. This one, 3 pillow. And then let me show you.
여러분 안녕하십니까?
We have a monitor here.
원입니다.
There.
시간은
I think ano to, USB charger.
비행 중에는 항공기가 각색을
Yeah,
들을 수
light.
있으니 자리에 조각선을
And
내리는 젊은
then,
데스 시작되는 네이팅 건강을 고려하네요. This flight is bound for Seoul Incheon International Airport and our flight time is
Meron silang
3
ganito.
hours and
Cup holder.
25 minutes.
And then meron ding
seatbelt fasten 완료되어
so,
태극은 실시 고려하네요.
yan. Napo-fold siyang ganyan. Oops.
대한항공
Parang movie. I don't want to look na lang. Oh. Yan. So, may yun yung mga option. Movie, TV. So,
cabin crew don't stand by.
sila sa likod. Taken. Dad. is our food here sa flight namin from Manila to Korea. So, meron tayong bibimbap. Ayan. And then, rice. And then, ang cute nito, they have gochujang. Wait lang. Gochujang. Ay, wait. Ano pala? Gochujang. So cute. And then, orange juice. And then, soybean. Peso. And then, may pop. Kimchi. And then, another bowl. And then, ito na. Kanilang utensils. Ayan. So, same kami lahat. May Milo. And then, kay Dad, same din. So, let's prepare our food. Ay, sayang. Kaso wala kami space dito, te. We don't want to eat there.
They want that. They don't want that.
Eat the food.
Eat the food.
Yeah.
Kung tapos ako kumain, bigay sa akin.
Just put a little. Gonna mix it.
Tapos lagay mo din yung sesame oil.
I don't like that oil, eh.
Ah,
They have sesame oil, but I don't like it because I get dizzy. Okay, I think I'm good. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so we also have ice cream, big scoop with the light. There you go, yummers. So, kasi weekend dito. Hindi ko pa napapatuloy. So, watching it now. Okay, so this is their toilet here. So, may mga salamin. Tissue doon. Tissue. Toilet seat cover. Nice. Yan. And then, mayroong air freshener. Perfect. Oopsie. What's this? Oh, they have lotion. And then some tissue here. Jeju hand foaming water. And then may salamin again. And then tissue by here. Towels. There. Small ano lang kami nito for Manila to Incheon. It's going to be like 4 hours. And then 2 hours lang layover namin doon and then we'll go to LAX na. So, see you later.
peace out.
Hello. We're here now at Seoul at Incheon Airport. We just arrived and papunta na kami sa next terminal or sa next gate for our next flight. Gusto na namin lumabas. Di, lalabas ka na ba? Dito? Ayan. Bye! So we're here na at LAX. Just landed. We're early.
The beef was good because
Ayan, so pupunta na tayo sa US Customs and Border Protection. That
no.
Okay, everyone, we are now here at LAX. Ayan, kakatapos lang namin sa immigration. Kukunin na namin yung luggage namin doon. Milo, come here. Hello. We are now in LA.
We made it!
We made it. Okay, time to get our luggage. Ito ang kanilang conveyor belt. Milo. So we are now here at Hertz. We're gonna be picking up our rental car. And Hertz. So we're here now at Hertz. And mag-rent kami ng car. So ganito siya. Dito siya sa, malapit lang to siya sa airport. Parang 15 minutes away lang. So meron naman silang pick up na bus. Ayun o, yung mga Hertz bus doon. Hertz bus. Yan siya, Hertz. Let's go in. Pasok. Let's go in. Ito siya sa loob. Ayan, medyo madaming tao sa loob. So pipila kayo dyan. Yarn. Hertz bus na sinakay namin from the airport. Free yan. Basta nag-rent kayo ng car. So, may other rental option dito. Yung mga brands. So, from Hertz, may Dollar, tsaka Thrifty. Ayan. Pwede rin kayo dyan mag-rent ng car ninyo. Here, okay, so here's our rental car. Hello, we are now inside our car. No one now rented. We have the kids here at the back. My boys here, Dwayne and Mikey. So, oops. We have a lot of luggages. So, abot siya dito sa middle part. Ayan. So, very excited for our road trips ahead. So, ngayon, pupunta muna kami sa hotel namin sa Cambria, sa Anaheim. And then, I'll do a hotel tour, room tour for you guys. Thank you.
Before you said this is
Well, ating official driver for this video, si Michael Ryan.
Mag-seatbelt kayong
Ay,
lahat.
oo nga, seatbelt please. Maigpit pala dito.
Vince, Tita Ken, where are you? I can see you. I can only see your head.
Kaya nga, teka naman sa inyo. Lalo na pag nandun na sa highway, madami mga kasulat.
First time driving in LA. Looking good. Doing great. Good job. 5 o'clock pa lang, pero ang dilim na dito sa LA. So, hey guys, so let's go ahead and do a quick room tour. Now, we are staying at Cambria Hotel. This is in Anaheim, which is super near lang sa Disneyland. So, ayan, door na itong nasa likod. Ayan, okay. And then, pagpasok mo, this is the toilet. Later, I'll show you inside. But for now, eto, meron ditong sabitan. And then, merong chair para pag nag-shoes ka. And then, we have a full-size mirror. Ayan. And then, ayun yung mga luggage namin. And then we have here 2 queen size bed. So, perfect sa amin 3. Yan. Ganda ng kanilang backdrop. Super simple, clean, and aesthetic yung room na to. Modern din siya. And we have a cabinet here. Ayan. So, merong plancha. Perfect. Iron board. And may hangers. And then, laundry bag. Ayan yung mga backpack namin. And then, merong safe. And then, over here, meron tayong office table. Yan. Ganda ng chair. Lamp, TV. And kanilang flat screen. And then, we have here, ayan, merong side table dito. May mga saksakan na din. Ayan, mga charging ports. Yan, phone. And then, we have here the bar. Ayan. Okay. May pa-mirror sa bar. Merong Keurig na coffee machine. Ice bucket. And then, plastic cups. And then, meron din ditong mga, ayan, coffee. Coffee nga ba to? What does it say? Ayan, blend coffee nga. And then this one, what's this? Tea. Yan. And then this one, oops. My gosh. We have here decaf. And some creamers. And then, sugar. Ano tong pink? Equal. Uy, perfect. Saccharin. Aba, may iba-ibang klaseng equal. Ang bongga. Ano naman to? Oh, equal na original. And then, I guess this is the gold. Ay, hindi. Cafe Delight lang din. Okay. And then, meron silang mga disposable hot cups. Merong microwave. Perfect. Kung mag-order. And then, merong mini bar. Ayan, mini bar. Lumalamig naman. Ayan, empty naman tong the rest of the, ayan. Super lambot ng bed. Ganda, ganda ng quality. And ang easy, ito ang ating view. So, ayan, ang view natin is parking space. Ayan, ayan yung lobby kanina. Diyan kami tapos may ganda dito, may dami na siyang kainan. So, may mga Starbucks na dyan. Madaming restaurant. So, hindi ka magugutom. Ayan. Later, pakita ko sa inyo ang toilet. So, tonight, since gabi na kami nakapag-check-in, no? So, ayan. So, since late na kami nakapag-check-in, gabi na, kakain na lang kami later sa In-N-Out. Ayan. Okay. Oh.
Diyan na lang, sa phone mo na lang. Ayan na. Perfect. Busy na kakain na. Tuloy din ang ating pag-in-and-out. It's recording na.
Hello, we're here at In-N-Out Anaheim. Trying out this animal rice. Masarap siya. Yung sauce niya parang sauce ng Big Mac. Let's try the burger. We got the double burger. One. Ang laking kebab. May caramel. Tikman mo yung ano.
Right.
Nga, iba mo ako dito sa cake ng animal. Yung ano lang, yung walang...
Yung sauce?
Hindi, yung cheese. Yung may cheese lang. Thank you. Okay na po. Wala.
Ay, ayan.
So, ang dami. Kumuha ka na ako.
Para siyang dry, no? Ano kaya sila parang dry?
Malaki na lang dati pa ang gantuhan. Parang mas ano.
Pero masarap.
Pero parang yung dati parang... Anong masasabi niyo sa milkshake?
Yeah. Ay, close ka pa rin.
Masyadong ano lang.
Ano lang na?
Creamy.
Vanilla.
Masyadong creamy lang.
Ano may papel ko pa rin?
So dapat ano, lagyan natin ng ice.
Ako, okay na.
Ang pwede kang gusto ng pizza, yun lang ang pizza.
Sobrang gutom na namin. Mas nakain namin sa airplane pa.
Thank you.
Nagdalaw ka dun, eh?
Ako naman ako.
Sarap burger nila.
Sarap na.
Oo.
Ang sarap na to.
Yung bun kasi parang ano, parang pusong-puso.
Medyo ba yung patty?
Crispy. Yung bun.
Patty ba na? Vanilla.
Feeling ko yung bun, pinilito muna sa butter. Maganda.
Double-double din. Parang ang nipis na pinaprenes nyo. Ang sarap niya, ang laki lang.
Double ba yan? Yung animal wala sa menu na yun. Sabihin mo dito sa
Yung animal, wala sa menu. So, sabi mo lang. Papel ko dito. Papel ko. Malito.
Yes, sir. 81, please. 81.
Nabalik-balik ka.
Yes, sir. Ready two, please. Yes, sir. Ready two.
Burger talaga maganda.
Right on.
Must try.
Ang konti nga lang ng lettuce. Nakain ko na lahat.
Nagpag-doon sila. Lettuce.
Ha?
Sabi ko lettuce yata.
Sabi ko na ako.
Yun lang talaga yung ano nila. Burger fries. Wala tayong mga spaghetti.
Chicken. Siyempre, kala naman nila yun.
Yes, sir. Ready three, please. Yes, sir. Ready three.
Here at In-N-Out Burger. These are the drinks. Merong Coke, Dr. Peppers, Barks, Coca-Cola 7-Up, Pops, mga straw, iced tea, pink lemonade, some lemons. Ito ang buong interior. Ayan kami. Maganda dito sa branch na to sa Anaheim. Ayun sila dun sa loob. Kasi konti lang yung tao. Ano naman yun? Oh, wala masyadong tao. So, perfect. Okay, so we're here at Chevron. Ayan, Chevron. So, we're gonna buy water for sa hotel. Kasi walang free water. Ito yung Rocket convenience store. So, ayan. $8. 24 packs na siya. Ayan siya. Ito ang convenience store dito sa US. So, anong meron? Yung mga chips. I think we need to buy snacks. Ice cream.
I'll get those.
And then some chocolates. Ito yung mga pickle-pickle, oh. Mga water. Mga takis. Kanina, oo. Milo, do you want anything? You want ice cream? Hindi ka pa na-satisfied dun sa ano? Sa look, Milo, there are different kinds of candies. Gummies, yeah. Parang I want some sour gummies. Have some coffee. Oh, donuts. Donuts. Mga Twinkies. Okay. Good morning. So, ito na ang continuation ng room tour. Magsi-CR tour tayo. Di natin nagawa kahapon. So, let's open this one. So, ito yung toilet. Ayan. So, yan yung entrance. Ito yung sa CR. Para siya nagsaslide ng ano dyan. Yan. Okay. And then, pagpasok mo, meron dyang bathtub. Ayan. Medyo mababa yung kanilang pa-bathtub. So, ayan. And then, may shower doon. Ayan. This one, shower. Okay. And then, ayan, meron na rin silang mga body wash, shampoo, conditioner. Pure by Gloss, yung brand. Ayan, tapos dito, ayan, may sabitan ng towel. Tapos may shower, may curtain. Tapos, ito yung kanilang mirror. Ayan, tapos meron siyang pang, ano, lavatory soap cleansing bar. Ayan. And then this one is, what's this? Oh, lotion. Wala ko to, Safeguard. Ayan, ito body wash nila Milo. Ito yung mga toiletries. Under, may trash can. Mga towels, tissues. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, may another door. Ayan siya. Another door. Aga dito kasi ano pa lang, 3 AM. Ang aga ko nagising. Medyo antok pa. Ayan. So, dito naman yung toilet. Ayan. So, anong picture ba yan? Let's go, ducks. Ayan. Towel. And then, ito yung mismong shower. Ayan. Siya. Let's go in. Ayan. Ayan yung shower niya. And then may another set of shampoo. Ayan. Ayan siya. There you have it. So, ayan siya ulit. Ito yung wallpaper niya. Ganda. Okay, that's it for our CR tour.